and my school name is Shadulapu Shishudhan Registered Non-Government Primary School. I am very glad to be here in this present moment. Actually, it's a great pleasure of me to say something before you. But I am a not good speaker. I'm really sorry of my shortcomings. Anyway, I try my level to be best. I deliver a short speech on today's our school and let's get started. At first, take my greeting. I hope you are well. You will be glad to know that last 24 September 2025 registration of our school. The name of my school is Shadulapu Shishudhan Registered Non-Government Primary School. It is situated Shadulapu Upazila under Gaibandha district. It was established in 2004. It is nearby the northern side of Gagot River. There are 500 students and 24 teachers in our school. There are 21 classrooms and office room and separate headmaster's room. All the teachers are very expert and highly educated persons. Our school sits at 8 a.m. and break up 1:10 p.m. Our school improving day by day. We love to school very much. I am proud of my school. That's all about my today's presentation. Thanks for watching me. Allah Hafiz.